The 2026 Social Security Cost of Living Adjustment has officially been set at 2.8%, meaning that retirees will see an average increase of about $56 per month starting in January 2026. This adjustment isn't arbitrary, it's based on the Consumer Price Index for urban wage earners and clerical workers, CPIW. The government compares the average CPIW from July, August, and September of the current year to the same period from the previous year. If inflation rises, Social Security payments increase to help offset higher living costs. For many retirees, this is the only form of income that keeps up with inflation, which is especially important as expenses like healthcare continue to rise with age. The 2.8% COLA aims to provide some relief, though it may not fully cover all cost increases. For a deeper understanding of how COLA is calculated and how it affects your benefits,